Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch PowerGate Audio Streamer hub and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this hub is not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing or not pairing with your devices or not responding, not detected. Anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now this is going to delete all of the Bluetooth pairing history off of it, and that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start with this, set it up maybe on a new network, on a new device, you can just go ahead and wipe everything off of it. It's quite easy. So with power to it, all we need to do is come in and we're going to find this source select button right here, and then the volume button here. We're going to press and hold both of them simultaneously for 10 seconds. So after 10 seconds, the device will reset back to its factory default settings, and then you can go ahead and set it up basically like a new device.